Yo, what's up? This is Trill OG Bum B. Let you know if you in Dallas, you got back pain, neck pain, man, come holler at Dr. G, man. Tap in with him. He got me right, he can get you right. Already.
I'm gonna touch here, and you're gonna feel it. And then I can go pretty high, like relax your hand, right here. It'll get your, it'll directly stimulate the nerves.
That's dope.
Yeah. But as far as nerve pain, it'll help. So we're here, and again, it's all this is gonna contract, but it won't hurt. But I mean, you tell me just if it's too much or whatever you wanna do. But it'll help everything loosen up. The adjustment's gonna go smooth after it.
I do whatever you.
Yeah,
I'm good.
Okay, you're
I'm
cool.
good.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, you go for it.
Yeah, that right side is a lot tighter, man.
Yeah.
Is that what you feel too?
Hmm.
You feel it more
I
on
feel
the
how
right
tight
side?
it is. Yeah.
Yeah. And the pain usually feels on the right or the left?
Left.
Left down there. Which
Yeah.
fingers does it hit?
It'll hit, mainly the pin, but normally it's just right here. Most of the pain is here. But at night, it'll
That's when you
go to
feel
my
it
fingers.
the
Yeah.
most. Does that feel okay?
Yeah, I like that.
Okay, cool.
Like the way it pulled. Yeah, I like that.
Yeah, like that, yeah.
So can you explain to them what's happening like specifically
right now.
what's going on right
So
now?
this specific machine is called Electrons Plus, or E Plus for short. But what it is, it's a lot of people that have been to chiropractors, they use like electrical patches, electrical stim. It's usually a TENS wave, so it's a certain type of wave. This is a PEMF, pulse electromagnetic frequency. So what it does, it creates a current running through me, through Bun. And then
While my feet is on this pad.
yeah. And it's a magnetic, it feels like electricity, but it's more of a magnetic wave. So you can see like certain movements, it'll cause muscle contractions. Like you'll see everything
So
move.
when he do, see if you notice, he'll make a move in my head turn.
Yeah. So
involuntarily. Like
yeah.
I'm not turning.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nothing
Like-
I could do. I couldn't stop it if I wanted to.
Yeah. So it directly stimulates the nerves. So I mean, the only people that really have these are sports teams, you know? I got a couple, this is a $30,000 machine. So like, it's pretty
Let's
heavy.
see, so my feet are on rubber, because rubber is conductive as far as electricity. So if you're standing on rubber and like you touch something electrical, you can get shocked. But
yeah. Huh? Oh, yeah. Let's do this. I'll do that for the live.
You're gonna trip out.
Let me see.
Put your hand like this.
Yeah, I'm gonna just, I'll show that. Yeah. So we can directly stimulate all the nerves.
Tell your fingers moving.
Oh, you get the bicep, the arm will flex. Yeah.
I don't like that feeling.
But so check this out on me. Like even my stuff contracts, cause it's running directly through me too.
Yeah.
the shit weak.
Yeah.
Oh, you step on that thing.
There, man. Okay. Just relax. Kind of lean back towards me. Yeah. You good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's do it. I ain't new to this. Let's get it.
Good. Yeah, a little bit there, man. All right. It's a 40-pound roller. I'm gonna set it on you. You tell me if it's too much. But I'm just gonna roll.
Go ahead. You good?
Here. Okay. Cool. This will make the rest of the adjustment go so easy. Is that okay? All right, good.
That feels great. That weight makes a big difference.
Yeah. That's good. Check it out now. Put a little pressure there, okay?
Oh yeah.
You good?
Yeah. I was ready for the second one. Ready for the first one. That was good.
Maybe a little more. A little bit more movement there. Yeah, flip over on your back. And now we're gonna cross your arms.
Now this the one I'm not crazy about.
You don't like this one? Here, I'll go light. I'm not gonna force anything. Just whatever movement we get to sweep.
Let me exhale.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So I'm just gonna put pressure. We may get movement, may not get too much. Yeah, okay, cool. Turn this way, on your side towards me. There's no fall. And then bend this knee. And have this hand. Pull it down, like right there. Bend that up, just relax. Gotcha, bro. Bend that one there. Pull this down a little bit. Right there. Oh, that was already moving. Lay on your back, face up.
Wow.
Right there. And
Feel
then
looser.
just relax the hip. Good. Yeah. Okay. Cool, man. Go ahead and stand up. Let's see how you feel.
Like, no, seriously though.
Yeah.
Like, that's crazy. No, because I've been having this problem with my arm for like probably the last 3 months. I've been getting like X-rays, MRIs, and everything. And man,
You gotta let me know how you sleep tonight, man. Yeah.
it's crazy.
Yeah.
That second pop in my back was everything, though.
Yeah, man.
Big boy,
cool.
touch his toes. Hold up, screw. Yay, let's get it.
Yeah,
Dr.
man.
G.
Absolutely, man. My pleasure.
Y'all better
Honor,
tap in
honor.
with this man for
Hey.
real.
Dallas, Texas, man.